little desk setup. I wanted to do another full office tour, but I'm just showing you a little glimpse of what my desk setup looks like. So yeah, I'm still doing Prolon. It's my second to last day. I'm having an L bar with this NR pill while I'm editing my YouTube video. Hopefully this can go live this month. I'm like so behind on editing the videos. And this is the other setup. There's a lot more that still has to go, but I'm really happy with it. And I like that there's like sunlight coming in. It's very cozy here, and it gives me an opportunity to focus a lot better compared to like my little bit more hectic home. And this is also my Prolon L drink. It's not actually like a cocktail, but I wanted to make my Prolon experience a little more hearty and happy. So I'm pouring it in a nice wine glass, and I'm gonna continue editing a little bit of my video today before I go outside to Central Park and take more walks today. Just all about getting my steps in.
Are we on again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do.
It is a night in by myself because Ben is out with his friends. So obviously that means maximum self-care, doing everything I love. I'm sheet masking right now. And this sheet mask actually extends down to your neck. And honestly, like all sheet masks just come like this. Like, why forget about the neck? It feels so cooling and nice. So now that I've had dinner already, I think I'm just going to chill, relax, light up a candle, and make some jewelry and watch the new episode of Mine. Mine is a new Korean drama on Netflix that you guys have to watch. I'm obsessed with it. I think I have a thing for like really like psychodramatic like dramas like that, like thrillers that give me anxiety at the same time, but I cannot stop watching. Anyways, jewelry has been a habit that I picked up last summer, and these are the pieces that I made this week, and I love just getting inspiration online and then customize it to like how I want to make it instead of having to spend like hundreds of dollars on them. Some of them are like really expensive, but I can make them on my own. So I'm going to make some for myself and my friends. Here is my little jewelry setup. I bought like this bead box on Amazon last year, and I've been like adding a lot of beads. Went to Korea last summer and bought a ton of beads. Like these kind of cute ones are all from Korea too. And then I have a huge box over here with like all kinds of different beads. So it's a little like jewelry making station here. This is one that I made yesterday. Isn't it so cute? I kind of want to make a very similar one. I think this is something that you can wear all year round with all of the pearls around. So love it. And of course I have Mine tuned right up here. So I'm just gonna play that while I make another piece. Finishing this necklace, the neck part came off, so now I think I'm just gonna take this sheet mask off. It was a perfect amount of time to use a sheet mask, and this is the one I made today. I think it's like one of the cutest pieces I've ever made. I wanted to do like something that was like kind of really cute and funky, and I think this was like an amalgamation of everything that I've kind of seen and saved. I definitely wanted something of like a smiley face nature, but also incorporate a little bit of fruits like this one. So now I'm just going to continue watching Mine and maybe make another piece for my friend. Last day of Prolon. It's the last day, and I'm not going to do it for another few months, but I'm definitely going to do it again just to kind of give like my gut a reset. I think this is a great program to just give a little reset, detox, because I'm not someone who can like rely on food to really do a fast kind of thing, but when I'm given like this certain only foods I'm supposed to eat for like 5 days straight, it's much easier for me to follow along with the protocol because I'm just someone with like no self-control whatsoever. So it's better this way that I know I can eat this for 5 days but not sneak in something else, versus if I was doing like a regular fast, I'll be like, let me just have a bite of the croissant and think it's okay kind of thing. So I'm really someone who likes to follow like a protocol if you're someone like that, then this is going to be a great program for you. And I feel just so much more, I don't know, like lean and lighter. It may not necessarily reflect on your weight as much, because when you're in a caloric deficit, your body kind of retains the fat a little bit more. But I see the effect kind of prolong throughout the weeks, which is what I love about this program. And my face just looks so much more like slim after the 5 days of doing this. So. Guys, I'm here for my final fitting of my rehearsal dress. After like 3 times coming here, we finally got it right. The rosettes are the most gorgeous. I mean, look at this. It's silk, it's lovely. And I'm also have a matching silk mask to go with the camel. It's going to be so pretty. Let's see. Some fries. This is the double shack, and the single avocado bacon shack. That's mine. That's Ben's. And then I saw someone else having this the other day on Instagram, and I was like, I really need that. And I don't know why this week I'm just craving sweets more than ever. This is their iced Milo, their classic chocolate milk. The best thing is you can also get it with oat milk or almond milk. Wow, hits the spot.
There's 3 at your table. Speak to her softly, as if I'm beside her, just like my father. I'll be alright. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't.
Got to reach at the top. Relax.
Just finished my last PT session before the wedding.
Breeze.
Say hi.
If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through. Everything around us feeling minuscule. If it's fine by you,
Looking good, Ben. Nice. I love watching Ondo's vlog. She's a vlogger in Korea, and it's just so peaceful and calming. Anyways, I have a very random assortment of lunch today. A very simple lunch, but I have carrots and banana bread, all gluten-free from Bluestone Lane. My favorite grain-free cookies. These are from Who Kitchen. They're also vegan and gluten-free. And watermelon season is here. So I have this watermelon rose and actual watermelon. Trying to be healthy.
You're a pretty little Barbie playing every time I got you. You do, you do. Girl, you hold me on so softly and you feed me and you watch me. You do, you do.
I'm here at Central Park right now. I've come here every single day of this week, and it's my time to take my steps in, but also just relax, listen to the sound of nature. I feel like such a grandma right now, but took my sister here. She's obviously on her phone doing TikToks, but we're just trying to take things really, really quiet
chill.
and chill for the next few days. So
Definitely.
this is like a little quiet spot in Central Park. And tonight we're gonna go home and make like a gluten-free pizza. It's gonna be great.
So
fun.
excited for that.
I think like with 3 days left now, I'm feeling pretty anxious, but also like I just cannot afford to have it right. I did not wait over 2 years to have it rain on my wedding day. So please pray for me. I will cry if it rains. And I know it sounds ridiculous, but positive vibes.
Positive vibes. No more whining.
No more
She's been
whining.
whining so much.
I'm so crazy. That's the only thing I talk about. And I
Yeah.
know people hate me at this point,
Yeah.
but it's my wedding. Tonight is pizza night. We're making our first pizza at home. I've actually never done this before, and I got this gluten-free pizza dough. Gonna roll it here.
Hopefully it turns out well.
I know. We've never done this before.
Made pizza at home.
Yeah.
This shit is falling apart.
You's a pretty little Barbie playing with me, Tamagotchi, you do. Girl, you hold me oh so softly, and you feed me, and you watch me, you do. Babe, you keep me in your pocket with your keys and with your wallet, you do. Where you pressing on my buttons, you be turning at me on, yeah, you do. And you do, yeah. I like the way it feels to be on your screen. Your skin on me, skin on me. I wish I could tell you what you want.
Pizza is in. We're ready. Okay. Oh my god. I think it's ready.
Oh my god.
Damn, look at that. Finished.
Overdid. Don't put those back.
God, it's so cute. I'm just trying to collect all my Polaroids of me eating pizza. So here is my second one. So guys, I'm at Tracy Martin and this is the red LED bed. So basically you go inside and it's kind of like a little tunnel where it doesn't feel claustrophobic. You're just inside and you get all of the red LED treatment from head to toe. Obviously you have to wear the goggles to not get your eyesight damaged, but I've done this before and it's great. This is where a lot of celebrities, including like Rihanna, come before the red carpet. So it's basically the body LED, and now I'm just gonna go in now. We're doing their classic favorite mask right now for a little exfoliating, and after this we're gonna do some intense microcurrent so that my face is lifted and glowing for the next like few days, especially for the wedding day. I came here about a month ago and was so impressed that I decided to come here right before the wedding, so you know that means a lot. We have my beautiful facialist here. She is amazing. She did mine last time as well, so we're reunited. And now we're gonna go in with some microcurrent right now. It's so cool the way she does it. Look at that, it's intense. double microcurrent now. So these nodes are connected to like another resculpting machine. And while this is tightening the skin, she's also going with the other microcurrent to really tighten and depuff the skin around the eyes right now. And also these strips over here are like literal collagen strips. So we have that over here and my neck area. It doesn't get better than this.
And there is little LED around it, yes.
Oh, nice.
So this is the radio frequency, but the red LED is just like little addition to it, just like fully little like extra benefit, you know.
It's a Friday night and we're literally having dinner at 5:15 p.m. Had a long day of facial, hair, acupuncture and all of that. So we just picked up some dinner. A little bit of healthy chicken bowl and eel. I've been craving eel, so I'm just gonna have a little bit of this. But also I need your opinion because I just got these earrings for the wedding. So one is like a dainty flower that's more of a clip-on style. And then the other one is a more hanging one. I actually really like this one too. It kind of feel like brightens up my face, but I'm still trying to decide which one to do. That's why I have both of these on. They're both from Roger Vivier. What do you guys think? Maybe I'll do, I don't know. I can't decide. Just do both? Should I just do both for the wedding?
Both, yeah.
I don't know.
Do they host 2 parties?
Yeah. I'll switch though. For the ceremony, I'll wear one. And then for the wedding, I'll do the other.
That kind of does make sense though. You could do that.
I haven't had seaweed salad in so long. Good morning. Tomorrow is the big day. So this morning I'm just going in with the Zippy device to make sure that the microcurrent facial that I got yesterday lasts a little longer. Apparently doing microcurrent after the facial also helps it to stay on longer. Today's gonna be a busy day. I'm gonna check into our hotel early and then go get our nails done with all of my bridesmaids. And we have a brunch. And then it's just me and my sister to spend the night before tomorrow. I am so anxious. Right now it's not raining. Weather forecast says no rain tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Knock on all the wood. I'm not sure where to end this video. I may end the video right here and then do the second like actual wedding vlog, starting all the festivities today. So if you guys don't see me after this, then thank you for watching, and you guys can see the actual wedding vlog in the wedding vlog video. Thank you guys, and can't wait to share all the wedding festivities, pictures, videos, all that with you. Love you guys.